Welcome back. Guess what we're doing today? So as you know, I've been having all this fill brought in here, and eventually we want to put a garage there. But in order to do that, we have to keep filling back, hopefully another 20-30 feet. And that means some of these trees have to go. Well, I sharpened the saw before I got started, and it's not good enough. So I got a couple new chains in the mail the other day. I'm gonna go swap them out quick. You'll see that I keep looking up and walking around and looking up some more. And I'm no tree expert or logger. I'm just trying to be safe about things and trying to read the direction that the tree wants to fall is something you have to really pay attention to. And you've seen me already clean out and run these trees, making sure that you have an escape route. I think safety is the key to all of this here. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is a big tree for my little saw, and like I said, I'm no logger, so I'm really trying to be safe about things, and part of that is having the confidence that you know what you're doing. And if you're really unsure about something, you just need to step away, walk away, either for good or think about it a little bit more. But I'm going to stand here and look and think about things for a few minutes to make sure they make sense, and then I keep going. So I'm just checking to see if that cut went through, and it didn't go completely through based on the size of the tree here. So we're going to work it from both sides, and we'll get this thing done. So let me show you what I got here, guys. Catch my breath, I guess. Holy cow. So I got a real basic saw here. It's the Husqvarna 455 Rancher. I'm not even sure they still make the same model. But this oak was at the full bar limit. Let me show you. So there it is, capacity, and then this is maybe a ½ inch to an inch more. Now, would it be great to have a 22-inch bar and another saw? Absolutely. But we're making do with what we have, and it did the job. You know, I threw that new chain on there, and you saw me tighten it after the first cut, and I'm no chainsaw guru, but that seems to help. So I got a fair amount of work ahead of me. I gotta drop at least one more tree here, and then I got a whole bunch of cutting to do. And then I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get it out of here and up there to my actual firewood processing center, if you will. And that should answer a lot of questions for you guys who keep saying, why don't you have a grapple, or go get a grapple? So all of my terrain is down and in gullies and nowhere I can get my tractor. So the best solution is to have something like sawing with Sandy has, where he's able to run that cable out and haul it right on out of there. That would be awesome. That's not in my price range right this minute. So we'll probably be pulling these out of here 8 or 10 feet at a time, or something like that. So in any case, guys, hopefully you enjoyed that little bit of a logging adventure today. And if you like more of this kind of stuff, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button so you can come back and see some more. There it is, the aftermath, the carnage of the trees falling. Well, it was only like maybe 6-7 trees, but I got a nice maple and a nice oak out of there. Actually, 2 nice maples. So that's what happens when you buy raw land on a mountain in the woods. I've bought several used homes in my life, and they already had a garage. They already had a yard. I think everybody takes that stuff for granted. It's already done. And little by little we'll get there. Certainly isn't in the cards for us right now to build a garage, but we have to prepare for it when we do. So that's part of the process. And if you're still wondering if I have snow, yes I do.